The Committee on Solid Minerals is holding a public hearing on several bills to reform the sector. The hearing brings together key stakeholders, industry experts, and government officials to deliberate on the future of Nigeria's vast mineral resources potential. The proposed legislations are designed to strengthen regulation, control, and investment, and to ensure that host communities benefit directly from mining activities. Joining us live from the National Assembly is our correspondent, Idong Joseph. Idong, thanks so much for joining us. What's the focus of today's public hearing?
Yeah, for today, the focus is going to be around 12 proposed legislation trying to bring reforms to the mining sector. And key among those legislations are one which is seeking that the power and control of mineral resources across the country, which of course we know that it is in the exclusive list being controlled by the federal government, is now going to be shifting from the federal government to states, for states also to have involvement in mining activities, and also local governments to also be involved in mining activities. And others are going to be looking at the creation of mining institutions and geoscience institutions across several states. This is just like a starting point to ensure that these institutions also go across all states of the federation. So this public hearing today is focusing on shifting the control, the power to control mining resources, and also creation of mining institutions across the country.
And Joshua, why are these bills, considered important at this time?
Well, if we look at the need for diversification of the nation's economy, these bills are required to bring in reforms in the sector. Of course, we understand that over-reliance on petroleum resources has not been able to take care of the country's need. And so, if these legislations are passed, this proposed legislation, I beg your pardon, are passed, it will help ensure that diversification of the economy in the mining sector also will contribute in that aspect. Not just that, we understand also that illegal mining activities has been ongoing in several states, and it has been a source of concern for stakeholders. And so if the states now and even local governments have control over mining activities, it will help reduce this pocket of illegal mining activities, which also contributes to some insecurity we see across states.
Idong, I must say thank you for taking out the time to join us and just bring us that insight. We appreciate you. We'll wait to see how this panel plays out and what it would mean for the restructuring of the bills when it comes to the mining sector. Once again, thank you.